Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to close Remitly account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Recipients, Send, Rewards, and Manage. Tap on Manage. There you can see options like Profile, Settings, etc. Go ahead and tap on Profile. Then profile information will be displayed on your screen. Now go ahead and scroll down. Then under My Remitly, you're gonna find Close My Profile option. Tap on Close My Profile from the screen. Then tick the I understand that I won't have access to my profile after it is closed. Then tap on Close My Profile. Once you do that, in couple seconds, you can see your Remitly account has been closed. And guys, that's it. That's how you close Remitly account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.